Usemotion versus Reclaim, what's better? If you're trying to stay on top of your schedule and be more productive, you might be looking at smart calendar tools like Usemotion and Reclaim. They both help you organize your time using AI, but they go about it in different ways. And which one is the better one, depending on how you work? Okay, so Usemotion is built around the idea of time blocking. You give it your to-do list and it automatically finds the best times in your calendar to schedule your tasks. It constantly adjusts your plan if new meetings pop up or things shift. The goal is to help you focus on what matters and actually get things done without having to manually move tasks around. It's perfect if you're someone who works independently, juggles a lot of tasks, and likes structure. You can set deadlines, priorities, and how long a task will take, and Usemotion builds a daily plan for you hour by hour. Now let's go ahead and talk about Reclaim. Okay, so Reclaim is also a smart calendar, but it takes a more flexible, team-friendly approach. Instead of scheduling individual tasks, Reclaim helps you block time for recurring habits, personal time, and meetings. It protects your focus time and automatically reschedule things if your day gets busy. Reclaim is great if you want to work with others and want to balance work and life. You can sync personal and work calendars, set rules for when you're available, and Reclaim works in the background to keep your calendar healthy. It's like a calendar assistant that makes sure you don't get overwhelmed. So, which one is the better choice? So, Usemotion is better if you're focused on productivity through daily task planning. It's ideal for solo workers, freelancers, students, or anyone who wants their calendar to act like a personal coach. Reclaim is better if you work in a team, have lots of meetings, and want to protect your personal time. It's less about task management and more about smart time protection and work-life balance. Now, at the end of the day, both tools help you take back control of your time. Usemotion gives you a structured, task-first plan. Reclaim gives you flexibility, time protection that adjusts your day changes. Choose the one that fits your style of work the best.